Hi, it's Will from stormthecastle.com, and here on YouTube you know me as what? Epic Fantasy. That's right, this is my latest tutorial. This is a Dragon Age Origins Grey Warden sword. If you want to know about the Grey Wardens, read the description of this video. And it's an easy project. I give you practically everything you need. All you got to add is a piece of foam board, a box of cereal, an empty box of cereal, some paint, a couple of tools, paintbrush, a knife to cut, and download the template, print it up, and use that to make your Dragon Age Origins Grey Warden sword. Now, if you like Dragon Age video games, I just wanted to show you real quick another project that I have here. It's the DragonAge Inquisition Helmet. Isn't that cool? Now, this is an interesting project because it uses poster board, masking tape, hot glue, and paint. And that's it. Creative and fun project. Look, see the hot glue is used to make the details. Isn't that clever? A little bit of paint. Now spray paint works really good for this project. And you've got yourself a Dragon Age Inquisition helmet. I just had somebody make it. Send me a picture, put it on the website. There you go. A little bit of blood splatter. So let's do the Dragon Age Grey Warden sword. But first let's do the introduction.
Dioramas, origami, catapults, and trebuchets, telescopes, terrariums, bonsai trees, and paper games, swords and shields, and real blacksmithing, model rockets, animation. I teach the art of real creation. Stormthecastle.com. Let's make something.
So, like I said, this is a pretty easy project. The link is in the description of this video down below, where you can go to the webpage to download the template. It's a PDF that you print up. So print it up, cut out the template parts. And you know, one of the things I do like about this project is it's really simple. Sheet of foam board, some cereal box cardboard. So you take three pieces that make up the blade of the sword, you tape them together. And I kept this under 30 inches so it would all fit on one sheet of foam board. Trace that onto the foam board and cut it out. Trace the handle pieces onto foam board and cut those out. Alright, there's 4 handle pieces and 2 blade pieces. There we go. And then glue them all together. I'll show you how to do that. It's going to go like this, and we have it interlocking like that so we can have a bigger sword, but also we can have some strength to it. And I'll show you real quick of me gluing it together with hot glue. Hot glue is really good for this. If you don't have a hot glue gun, that's okay. You can use some kind of other glue. It just takes longer to dry. But you end up with a pretty strong sword. 4 layers for the handle, which gives it strength so it's not going to break on you. So, you know, the thumbnail of this video, we'll listen to some music while we're doing this, but the thumbnail of this video is a picture of the Milky Way. I took that picture at the Grand Canyon, and I have a tutorial on my website on how to take Milky Way pictures if you'd like to do something like that. I just thought that's a wonderful thumbnail. Give me a thumbs up if you like that thumbnail. I'm probably going to use it more. So, once the sword is assembled, go ahead and paint it. If you want really, really bright silver color, you should first lay down a layer of white paint. It's a primer. That will help make your colors pop. So the sword foam board part is done. Now let's do the cardboard box part. So you just need some kind of a cereal box cardboard, see? I tried those deli witches. I didn't like them very much. Sweps. See, something like that. Lay out those parts on the cardboard and trace them. Where else you're going to go on the internet that they give you all the free templates? I must have 300, 400 free templates. Go to our website, stormthecastle.com. It's been around for more than 20 years. I got so much free stuff, paper games, paper castles, catapults, all kinds of origami, all kinds of things. Well, anyway, so you take that template pieces, you trace it onto your cereal box cardboard, and then cut those pieces out. Now let's make these colors pop, and we do that, especially with this cardboard because it's very absorbent. You prime it first with the white paint, and then when you paint gold, or silver or gray on it, the colors will stay brighter. If you don't have gold, mix yourself up some kind of a yellow. But there we go. So now let's put it together. I'm using just a children's craft glue gel. I like because it's got a lot of tap to it. also have a tutorial using that glue to make a waterfall. Look up Ponce de Leon on my YouTube channel. When I do a channel search for Ponce de Leon, it'll show you that glue I used to make a waterfall. Well, anyway, so you glue on the gray part first, then you glue on the gold parts. I did take artistic liberties with this sword because it was actually the ornaments were pretty. It was pretty ornamental. I simplified it some to make it easier. But hey, grab up some pictures from the internet, and if you want more complicated sword, like I didn't show you here, paint the handle with a herringbone brown and then use a black marker to make that herringbone pattern. Add the little details, and that's that. We're just about done. Can anybody tell me, if you're a knife maker or a sword maker, you know what this thing is called? I'm not going to say. Leave a comment if you know what this thing is called. And a sword or a knife. Anyway, that's it. Once its paint is all dried, you can seal it and preserve it with some Mod Podge. Thank you very much. 1,000 videos here on YouTube and more on my website.
Thanks for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're a subscriber, thanks for subscribing to my channel. If you're not a subscriber, hit that button. I always have lots of fun and interesting and very creative projects. I do 2 new ones every week. As an example, here's a couple more videos you might want to watch.